Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the H9 Pro Max Smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to have a demo on the smart notification. So it has support for push notifications. So we will try this feature and we'll see if it works with Instagram, Messenger, Viber, and a text messages or SMS. Okay, so if you are planning to get the H9 Pro Max Smartwatch and you want to know whether the push notification works or not, especially with your favorite apps, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. So let's begin and explore the smart notifications of the H9 Pro Max Smartwatch. Our wearable is already paired with the Lexus Fit application, and we have here the message reminder option. Okay, so we already activated the SMS. We allow the permissions to receive notifications. We have the Facebook, the Messenger here, Instagram, and we also have the Viber account. Okay, we will activate also the other options. Okay, so seems like everything is okay. For the smart notification settings here in the smartwatch, I think the smart island is the only option. So notice, so we have red dot reminder, notification prompt. Okay, we'll activate the notifications light up the screen. And what else? Okay, that's it. So we have an option here for, I'm looking for the other one, the smart island. Okay, notifications, I think this one, red dot reminder. I thought there's a different name for it. Anyway, we'll check. Let's see later on. Uric acid. Seems like everything is set here for the wearable. So there's the support for smart island, as you can see here. Okay, it will show here on top if we receive notifications. Okay, comment if I misunderstood it or made a mistake when it comes to these settings. Anyway, let's see if it works. Okay, the only way to know is to have a demo of the smart notifications. So let's start. Hello, good day. Okay, so let's send a message. Message sent. And we have here. Okay, so hello, good day. You have an option to dismiss or view the message. Okay, so it works for the message notification. So there's no icon for our Instagram. But if we disable the other one, let's see. Notice, notifications light up, notification prompt. We'll disable this one. And let's see the difference. We'll see. We'll be able to see smart island or not. Hello. Message sent. And we have it here. Okay, so it's the red dot. So it shows here, tap on this one, and we have here the message. Okay, so that is the smart island, the red dot. Okay, for other wearables, it is tagged or named as a smart island. Okay, anyway, let's see again. Let's try. Settings. Let's verify it. Okay. Let's send a message again. Hello. Light up the screen. So as you can see, you have a new message. There's still a smart island, but there's no red dot, I think. Okay, so there's no red dot for new messages. Okay, so the smart island still works, but there's no red dot. We'll check it later on in the messenger. Settings, notice. Okay, so the smart reminder or the notification island is fixed, but you can remove the red dot reminder if you want. Then next, let's see with the call notification. And call, you have a message. Okay, Instagram, you miss an audio call from Cindy. Audio call. Okay. What else? We have other messages. Hello. Okay, so that's it. Next, let's have the messenger. So it works with the Instagram. Let's have the messenger. Let's say hello. Message sent. Did not work. Okay, or there's a delay. Let's have a call notification. And call. We have here the message. And we have a logo for Instagram. Or for the messenger. We have the message here. Okay, again for the call. Calling. And call. Okay, you may see call from Cindy. So it works with the messenger also. Both the push notifications or the message notifications and the call notifications. Let's have the Viber. Let's say hello. And we have here the message. Hi. Yes, it works. Okay. So it works with the Viber account. How about for the call? And call. And we have here incoming Viber call. Delete the message. So there's the time, the name, and the message. Okay. The last one, let's have the SMS. Hello, this is SMS. Message sent. Okay, didn't work. Okay, so it works. It's a bit delayed, but it works. Next, how are you? Message sent. And we have here the message. Okay, so everything works for our H9 Pro Max Smartwatch with the Lexus Fit Support App. So it works with Instagram, Messenger, Viber, and text messages. Okay, again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.